Today we will be creating dates from day, month and a year, and it's very simple task when we have those values as numbers, because we can use date function and we just give her year, month and a day, and just like that we have proper date. A bit more complicated situation is when month is as an abbreviation of the full month names. In those situations we have to combine those values but in different orders. So first will be day, then month and then year. And when we add 0 to those values, nothing happens, because we have to remember that Excel perform addition before concatenate. So our ampersand is done after addition. So we have to put our concatenation in parentheses or in the function, and then we will get proper date. But we have to remember to format cell as a date, and then we can copy our formula down and get our dates.